I asked a woman, "Do you think women should be given equal rights as men?" So she gave me a surprising answer. She said that, "I don't have equal rights." I asked for elaboration, so she told me something like this. "I have a share in the property from the father's side, a share from my brother's side, a share from my son's side. I have a share in the property from my husband as well. When I become equal to men, I will be deprived of those rights. If I work or do a job somewhere, I am facilitated accordingly into that role. If I think for equal rights, I have a greater loss. Bank, hospital, market, everywhere. I get relief based on the lady's first principle. When I go to meet my father, he stands up to greet me. But when my brother goes, he greets him while remaining seated. When we travel out of the city, my daughter and I have to carry our own handbags, and the rest of the luggage is the responsibility of the son and his father. Once, the car broke down on the way, so my son and husband pushed it, while handing me the steering. If I truly had equal rights, then I would have had to push the car too. But somehow, all the tough and heavy tasks always fall on the men. I never have to go outside to pay electricity bills. I've never had to run after the painter or laborers. I never have to rack my brain with the electrician. The responsibility of earning has never been mine. My husband has to go out to earn. If I ever had to say, "I could not cook today, it is too hot or I am just not in the mood," so the food gets ordered from the market, there's no compulsion. But he don't get a day off. I have the right on the income of my husband, but on my income, I have only THR right. My clothes are more expensive than his clothes, my shoes are more than what he wear. I have countless such advantages. Would I claim equal rights only to make a losing deal? Do you think I am naive?